It's much more effective, it's better for the environment, it's better warmth, it's more adaptable, we can control it. We could never control the gas heating. I'd heard of these marvellous heat pumps that could use air instead of gas, and that seemed a very good way of doing things. I mean, it's a colossal job to get gas to your house. If you can cut that down by taking air from the side of your house, well, as they say, it's a no-brainer. It's something that you've got to do. And they're getting cheaper and cheaper all the time. Very easy to install as well. We added solar panels and batteries. In a sense, you end up with your own homegrown power station. And for once in my life, I'm actually in charge of the energy that's coming in and going out and deciding where I want it to go. So the whole system locks in together, works extremely well. Becomes quite fun, really. It's not too geeky. You don't have to look at every detail of it, but you can see exactly what's going on. Last night it was 5 degrees outside, and I looked at what the heat pump was costing to heat the whole house, and it was costing 20 pence an hour. Now the equivalent on a gas boiler would have been £1.33, I worked out. I look at my son's bill, who's on gas, and we're paying about half of what he pays. Living with a heat pump is very easy, very simple. You can forget about it if you want to, or you can have complete control. And I've got to say, the team that came in from Octopus were incredibly efficient. They just got on with the job and made it a pleasure to have them here. One of the plumbers that came round was a lovely lady, probably the only plumber who ever described a piece of her work as a pretty little piece of pipe. I've never heard a plumber say that before, but was very effective and very efficient in the work she did, and a lot of fun. I mean, we talked about houseboats and all sorts of things while she was soldering the joints, and that's all part of having the job done.